Are you trying to get in there, Scotty, are you?
I am. I'm gonna
Just going on YouTube.
Oh yeah, okay, whatever.
Oh look, there's a guy in a canoe. Kayak.
What was it?
Probably overflow from the sewage pump.
What?
Probably going to be overflow from the sewage pump.
Nice.
Luckily my phone's waterproof. Oh, look at Jackie's car. Oh blimey, that's really deep in her car. It might be inside it.
Wait, it's getting higher. This is like
Did you take your shoes off?
No. This is deeper than Laingholm Beach normally is.
Okay, we're walking down the middles because that's the most shallowest part, less deep.
In the park there, look.
Oh my god, that looks like a river, a lake over there.
It does.
That truck's just the right height.
Would you like to come down to the park just before the storm had to come back up?
Yes, I know.
Wait, okay. So this has to drain before Sunday.
Doesn't take long to drain.
Huh?
It'll be gone in an hour or so.
But if the storm continues, it's not
Well, with high tide will be 2 or 3 in the morning. It'll be long enough for it to go away before we go. It's actually a current. Look at that current coming through there.
That's so cool. Maybe one day we'll get high enough that boat will actually...
Oh, the big boat could come down the road. There's the yellow lines in the middle of the road. There's a boat I saved yesterday out there in the harbour. Right, where's the footpath?
I think my shoes are looking good. I think they're looking fine.
Alright, watch the edge of the footpath so you don't trip.
Nice.
I'm glad this is summertime.
I know, right? What a beautiful day in the middle of summer in New Zealand.
That's the idea. Hello mate, how you doing?